Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time here, kindly subscribe to get updated when I upload new videos.
So I'm going to introduce you to an NFT platform where we'll earn 10 USDT in your MetaMask wallet for free. All you have to do is to watch this video carefully to the end in order to understand it well. The first thing you have to do is to add the MetaMask extension to your browser. You can do it on your phone using Google Chrome or Firefox browser. After logging in, tap on Ethereum mainnet and add your BNB network. The next thing to do is to go back to the website and link your wallet. So I will tap on Connect Wallet. So you will connect the NFT platform to your MetaMask account. The network address will be BNB address. Then you choose Connect. After connecting your account with the platform successfully, go back to the platform and choose Mint from the homepage. Over here, you will see the price you can mint for each player. And the price I will choose is $0. So I will tap on Mint. I will select BUSD as my payment method and confirm payment. Before you mint your payment method, contact the customer service on Telegram to add your address to whitelist. When minting your payment method, the platform will charge only 0.00 for BNB as contract fee. So I will confirm the transaction. The transaction is successful, so I will now go to Collection and select Harvest. Operation is successful. The platform gives $0.5 every day, so you will harvest $0.25 every 12 hours for 20 days. So in 20 days, you will earn $10. Now, I will go turn to make a withdrawal. As you can see from here, I have already made withdrawal. So I'm going to withdraw again for you to see. To withdraw, select withdraw and enter amount and currency. So I am choosing BUSD. After entering the amount, tap on confirm. The platform charges 2% withdrawal fee. To complete the transaction, select confirm. MetaMask also charges gas fee. I have received a message from MetaMask, so I'm going to check my wallet if it has reflected. As you can see from my MetaMask wallet, this is the total number of BUSD I have withdrawn from the NFT platform. You can also refer others with your link to earn more. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and press the bell to get notifications when I post a new video.